Alright, this is Destry little man's new little toy. He's got a big yellow Hummer RC car. He's gonna show you everything it does. The back open, front door's open.
And the best part is the front opens backwards. Here, I gotta close the door.
There you go. Oh yeah, look at that engine, bro. Look at the interior. It's got like a little seat belt, little shifter.
It's pretty much for a
steering wheel. Yeah, you can put like action figures and stuff in there. Alright, we'll shut everything up so he can take it for a run.
Hold on, let me close the door all the way. It doesn't close the door exactly. Is it even on?
Yeah, you gotta unlock it. There you go. His too makes revving noises and stuff. He's got a horn on his too. Do your horn. Alright, yep, he can go. Dang, bro, yours is fast.
You agree? It goes fast.
His too, all the lights and everything work on it too. Again, I'll make like a night video so y'all can see all the lights. Dang, bro, you can go pretty far with that thing. Dang.
We'll go all the way to the sidewalk.
Turn it around though, just in case the car comes. Turn it around. Yeah.
I'll just put it on the side. Oh. I'll just park it there.
You gotta back it up.
Just a tiny bit.
Back it up and turn your wheel.
Why? There's cars.
So you can. Okay, alright. Alright, now bring it back.
Oh, wait, I wanted to go farther to the
No, because if a car comes around the corner, it's gonna get smashed. See how fast it is when it zooms by. Dang, bro, it's coming. There it goes. Yeah, see his, you can kind of see his headlights are on right now. Again, it's hard to tell. Nice, bro.
This thing's pretty much pretty fast. Door's open.
I think he thinks you gotta walk next to it. Put it in a higher gear. Yours is too heavy for the grass. There you go. Lena's did okay through the grass, but his is like a tiny bit more heavier. There it goes, there it goes. Going off-roading over here. Go back, then forward. Just when you hit grass, you can't stop. You gotta keep going. Nope, and over rock.
Well, it just wants to go on the grass. Oh, perfect.
Alright, but yeah, that was his big birthday gift from me too. Well, the iPhone was the most biggest, expensivest, but these are pretty cool too. Alright, I'm gonna stop the vid.